Hi friends, let's solve this fundamental problem, signals and systems. Here it is asking, actually first of all it is asking to sketch the signal. The given signal is x of n. This is a discrete signal. X of n is 1 over 2 whole power n multiplied with u of n. So first of all let's see what is the signal. Let's put n value 0, that is x of 0 is clearly 1 because of 1 by 2 whole power 0 is 1. So now let's put n is equals to 1, then 1 or 2 whole power 1, that is nothing but 1 or 2. Similarly, x of 2 is 1 over 2 square, that is 1 over 4. X 3 is 1 over 2 cube is 8, and so on. So that now we can easily plot this signal. So this is amplitude axis and this is time axis n. So this is x of n. So now this is 1, whereas the n value is 0, and exactly half 1 over 2 when n is equals to 1, and again half when n is equals to 2. So this is 1 over 8 when n is equals to 3, and so on. So clearly by looking at this plot, we can tell the very fundamental thing is that this signal is not periodic signal, and as n tends to infinite, the x of n become 0. These two observations we can make. It is non-periodical signal, and as n tends to infinite, x of n is 0. So clearly, as it is non-periodic signal, we can tell this is energy signal. However, let's calculate what is the energy. Actually, the energy is, by definition, n varies between minus infinity to plus infinity, x of n whole square. So now, clearly, this signal starts from n is equals to 0 and ends at infinite, and x square n is nothing but 1 over 2 n whole square. However, the u of n term is removed because of the lower limit of the summation is at starting at n is equals to 0. So no need of writing u of n here, because u of n is 1 for n greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for n less than 0. So clearly, for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on, the u of n value is 1, so no need to write that. So now n equals to 0 to infinite, this is 1 over 4 whole power n. Clearly, the 2 square is 4, the term will goes to the denominator. Now, this summation simply can solve using the basic fundamental formula, that geometric progression, the summation of geometric progression, a over 1 minus r. Here a is the first term is 1 because at n is equal to 0, 1 over 4 whole power 0 is 1, and r is common ratio. Common ratio is the ratio between two consecutive terms, that is 1 over 4, because the series progresses like this: 1, 1 over 4, 1 over 16, 1 over 64. So the ratio is simply 1 over 4, the common ratio is. Now the answer we are looking at is 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 by 4, which gives us 1 divided by 3 over 4. So the answer is 4 by 3. So the energy the energy is finite and which is equals to 4 or 3. So that's it. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.